And thank you everyone for joining again today for Umna, which you all by know it's an event, virtual event organized by Young Hearts and supported by Hexidexy. So, and the aim behind having this program is that in this time of pandemic, when we are not able to travel or have physical shows, and we are because of which we must be going through different anxieties and uncertainties. So at this time, it is a great way to join from people around the world, and they are trying to bring in artists, writers, philosophers, thinkers, activists to come together and share their cultural journey through this virtual platform, which is very important at this current moment for all of us, and we all are joining each other and knowing each other through this virtual platform. Incentives South Asia, initiated by Khoj in partnership with in this project. And importantly, he is also a founder member of Anga Art Collective, which was established in 2010 amongst 2010, and it's amongst the first art collective in Northeast India. So it is a very important initiative. If we get time, we can hear from Anupam about that also, because Northeast is an area where a lot of people are not aware, and um, it has been always sidelined. So creating such an initiative in Northeast, and they have tried to develop an alternative art practice in context of the place itself, the Assam, or you can say Northeast as well. So I would like to welcome Anupam to share some of his projects, especially he is focusing on spectatorship and the body. So we will go through his practice, and later on we can have a dialogue with him on various other things related to his practice. So thank you. Welcome, Anupam. You can start.
Yes, thank you, Pranavata, and thank you, Young Hearts, giving me the opportunity. So I was thinking of what I should say. So because the spectatorship always very important matter for art. Actually, it's been utilized, or it's been used, or it been welcoming the spectatorship to the art. And this is my core area while I'm doing performance art. So this is the main concern about doing art in public spaces. So this is the main concern of me. So I'm going to share some of my experience with the spectatorship, how I understand, or how I realize, or why I'm more involved into the public spaces. So you have seen there is a two images in my screen right now. The left one is a part of Kolkata International Performance Art Biennale. No, sorry, art festival. So this is like it's a road, completely public road. You can see how people are moving and viewing my performance on the still expressions of the viewer, how they interact with my work. So that's why just simply to get an idea of one is viewing culture and another is like how they are engaged with. So for me, is audience is always very important matter, because I try to build up a relationship with that audience psychology. I play with, it's like a, you can say it's kind of manipulation, or it's kind of audience psychology, how I can play with it, or how I can transfer my emotions into the audience emotions. That is my main concern, because if I cannot provoke the thoughts in the audience mind, so then I think that artwork or that performance is not so successful. So because of that, always my concern is to that viewership or spectatorship. So let's go back to the 2016 when I was in Hyderabad. Just let me see. Okay. So I was in Hyderabad project regarding Rohit Vemula. So all you might know, I was involved in that student movement regarding Rohit Vemula suicide. This is the one of the I can say till now Why? Because already you people realized how the situations happen in the university space, and I'm observing all the protester, the students, the body actually. I'm observing the body. So I started this initiative title, I Have Become Monster, and this title of this performance I took from the suicide note of Rohit Vemula. So I wrote, you can see in the image, I feel growing a gap between my soul and my body. So this is a one line from the suicide note, and I take a inspiration, I can say inspiration, I can say build up a emotions with that situation, not totally like I can understand that, because if I say I can understand the situation, it will be wrong. It's wrong because I cannot understand the situation, because the person who is going to commit suicide, that psychological situation we cannot realize being a living person. That's very clear about that. But I try to understand the situation, and I try to transfer that situations to the audience. That's my main agenda, and that's my main motto, how I can transfer that situations to the audience. So this is the performance begin. I wrote a line on the floor. So the whole space, the space of this university, it's a T point where the students came in the evening, have talk. So this is like, it's not silent. So slowly I took a space and I build up the performance like this. You can see, just I'm not going to talk all details, just talk about the spectatorship of this project. So you can see some of the things I pasted on my body, cover up on my body, tie up on my body. So the performance is going on. It's a whole space become completely silent. That is very important. I don't know what effect in the space through my performance, but slowly during the performance, the space becomes silence, and the silence haunted me a lot. Psychologically, I scared a lot. Because of that scaredness, slowly my, body is vibrating. It's like a emotional thing on that topic. So you can see on the right side image, you can see my face that's become red. It's not a red color. It's become red because I'm vibrating, I'm suffocating because of that silence. So it slowly happened, and that face or that body gesture create the effect in the audience psychology as well. After almost 1 hour, I just, tie up with the lots of things. I walk towards the audience. So what happened? This person, you can see in that the person try to remove the things from my body. I'm not saying to the audience that release me from that suffocation. It happened. And this is the trigger point. I started thinking after the performance, how I can involve the audience into my performance. It's not involvement, it's completely engagement. It's not like I am the only performer. It's like audience also become the performer. So that's a vice versa things I learned from this performance and try to exploring in that era continuously in later performance. You can see that person, I don't know yet the person, he is one of the PhD scholar of University of Hyderabad, but the point is that the person feel that he wants to release me from that suffocation. So you can see after that continuously the students are coming towards me and they try to remove all the material on my body. So this is it. And again, this is image you see. This is another performance in Kolkata International Performance Art Festival. I think this is in last year or last year. I think 2019. So the performance is collaborated with Indira Lakshmi Prasad. She is in Delhi-based artist. So this is the time at 2 o'clock night. So in the Kolkata International Performance Art Festival, we, all the artists, all the participants staying together. So it's 2 o'clock, people are shouting, people are gossiping, and that hall, I feel very scared. And I started use my performance or use that technique, how I will create the effect and they will become silent. So that's my point of starting of the performance. So what I did, we both sitting like this, and you can see a small glimpse of the video. So this is very interesting thing. We too started, and you can see in the back, he is Anirban. He is a curator of Kolkata Performance Art Festival. So he sit like us, and he started slapping himself without saying him ki aap bhi hamare kaam pe join kar lo. And there is another artist, Rohan from Mumbai. He also started doing the same thing, and the whole space became silent. And after the performance, we went for sleeping. So this is very interesting point, that what I'm saying in the beginning, that how I can engage the audience, how I can manipulate the psychology, that body become me. It's not only me performing, and audience also performing in the space. So going again, the same exploration about this. This is a performance I did in Delhi, in Neeraj's house. So Umezi was there. It's the so of his sculpture from Delhi and perform in his space. So this is basically, I explored that area of the how I can engage the audience. You can see one glimpse of the video. Let me mute the sounds so I can speak while video is playing. So it's very bad documentation. Okay, so just you can feel that thing. I'm throwing a ball to the audience. The performance beginning like that. So audience started playing with me with it. So audience reply, audience give the ball back to me, and slowly after a point of time, when they giving me back, I slap myself. I'm using the slap again, you can see in the video, and I mark one line on the body when how many slap I give. So you can see, yes, this is the slap, and I started counting that slap on my body. And suddenly audience realized that, and they stopped giving me the ball, because they realized that agar ball wapas jayega to the performer will slap himself. So you can see in the video, the audience started playing around them. So this is very interesting things happen. And finally, at a point of time, one of the audience throwing the ball from the building completely outside. And that point in time, being a performer, the performance is almost like a collapse. You know, the whole plan or whole idea, my initial idea was to engage the audience like this only. But you know, the audience throwing the ball from the building. So you can see Girish Behra, he is another artist from Delhi. He started playing with the ball like a football, and I'm trying to take the ball from him. And again, I slap myself. So this is the continued engagement happen, and this is the final stage of the performance. This is the last point, almost. Again, this is another performance. The title was Lathi Sirs. So some of people you might know about 22nd March in 2016 when brutally beaten up by police authority in University of Hyderabad. So that Lathi Sirs I'm taking as a concept, as a idea, as a content, and I started develop a project around that idea of Lathi Sirs. So you can see from the beginning, the audiences changes. You can see this is university space, so audience is like sitting like this, and the previous one audience is sitting around me, and so the spectatorship is different in the different time, different context. So when I started planning a performance or design a performance or thinking of a performance, I always thinking of who is my audience, whom I'm going to address that issue. So these are the main concern in my performance while I'm planning. So you can see this is the just simple 1-2 images of the performance. The main point of this performance is I'm giving some chalk pencil to the audience without saying anything, just giving the pencil. And this is the time after the Lathi Sirs happened, the university complete campus was become in a trauma because 25 of the students got arrested, including 2 professors. So the situation, you can imagine, people are scared, students are scared, and I started this initiative, and finally that chalk pencil, you know, by using that chalk pencil, students are started writing in their language. Like you can see one written Happy Holi. So it's like a, you can see FUCK Rao. Appa Rao is the vice chancellor of the university. So people are freely exploring or freely expressing themselves into that situations. But again, if you see that on the light, on the below, that's me. I am standing like an audience. So in that context, in that particular project, I am not the performer. I become the viewer, but the viewer become the performer. These actions, things happen without saying the things. I'm not saying to the audience, "Aap log likho." So this is like a psychological manipulation, you can say, or I can say it's, if it is not a manipulation, we can say it's a telepathy, exchanging the emotions from the performer to the audience. Okay, this is another project of mine. So the title was on the body. So this is one image of, again, University of Hyderabad, but I'm going to talk about the same project I did in Guwahati. So this is the image of that project near Ganeshguri flyover. So I did nothing. I'm standing in the roadside footpath, and two person of my friend, I instructed them to cover up my body. That's the simple action. It's nothing. And the newspaper was Assamese local newspaper, and some of the headlines are like, you know, that bomb blast in serial bomb blast happened in Assam during 2008, or some political statement by the politician, or all the issues, you know, that begin after 90s, you know, from the Ulfa movement to the secret killings to the political movement to all the things I collect from the library. I collect from the library and I paste it on my body. And I am doing nothing. I am saying nothing. And you can see, you can learn, or you can see that audience faces, you know, how they are trying to engage. They are started reading. Even I remember some of the audience, they started reading the newspaper, and that's become so provocative in that space. And it was huge mass in that space, because it's a busy street and there are 5-6 traffic police came to control the traffic. You can see it's a silent standing gesture. And finally, 1.5 hours, police came, and the police arrived hours in the police station, and they're asking lots of many questions about why you did this, lots of things. So my point is that how I'm engaging the different kind of audience into my work. There are fleeting crowd, there are officers, there are businessmen, there are other things. Even this is the conscious decision I assume before the performance. I was thinking, okay, I am ready for even the lathi charge, because I know police will come, because of that statement is so thought provoking. So that is it's a kind of conscious decision. I will engage the police. That's a kind of conscious decision. Also, I discuss with many officers, you know, many media persons, and some of higher officer, that if something happened, please help me after the performance. So this kind of little planning, but I'm not informing the police, and police automatically come and they try to engage in my performance. Yeah, this is the image of that performance. Yes, Pranamita, I am stopping here right now, so we can think of having a dialogue with the audience about the spectatorship and the body.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
So you will be